In this video, I'm going to show you how to add, use, and download new fonts in LibreOffice Writer step by step. If you work with documents a lot, adding new fonts can make your writing look more professional, more creative, and much easier to customize for school, work, or personal projects. And the best part is, it only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Google Fonts. Once the website loads, you'll see a huge library of fonts that you can browse for free. Take your time here and find a font that fits the style you want. Maybe you want something clean and modern, maybe something elegant, or maybe something bold and eye-catching. When you find a font you like, click on it, and then click Get Font. Before moving on, remember the font name because you'll need it later inside LibreOffice Writer. After that, click Download All. The font file will usually download as a zipped folder, so once the download finishes, open the file and extract it if needed. Inside the extracted folder, look for the font file itself. It will usually be a .ttf file or an .otf file. Those are the actual font files that your computer can install and use. Now right-click on the font file and choose Install. On some systems, you may also see an option like Install for all users, but the regular install option is usually enough for most people. Once you click it, your computer will add that font to your system, which means it should become available in apps like LibreOffice Writer. Next, open LibreOffice. From the Start Center, click on Writer Document on the left-hand panel, or simply open an existing document if you already have one ready. Once your document is open, select the text that you want to change. This could be a heading, a paragraph, a title, or even the whole document if you want to apply the new font everywhere. With the text selected, go to the Font drop-down at the top. This is where LibreOffice shows all the fonts currently available on your computer. Now search for the font name you remembered earlier and click it. As soon as you choose it, the selected text should change to the new font style. If you don't see the font right away, don't worry. Sometimes LibreOffice needs a quick restart before newly installed fonts appear. So close LibreOffice completely, open it again, and check the font list one more time. In most cases, that fixes the issue immediately. And that's it. You've now learned how to download a font from Google Fonts, install it on your computer, and use it inside LibreOffice Writer. This is a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in how your documents look and feel, whether you're designing a report, creating a flyer, or just making your writing stand out. New fonts give you a lot more flexibility. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.